in the national capital. The Air Force and Navy Chief are currently at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, which is the official residence and the workplace of Prime Minister Modi. So meetings taking place at the Prime Minister's residence. The CDS will also be meeting the Prime Minister shortly. My colleague Pragya is joining us with that update. And Pragya, hours after the ceasefire agreement, the back-to-back huddles are continuing in Delhi. What are the details?
Absolutely, and in fact CDS has already reached. Navy Chief, Air Force Chief, CDS, NSA Mr. Ajit Doval, all of them have reached here at Prime Minister's residence. This is also after there was a violation of ceasefire by Pakistan. There was sort of sense of betrayal also in India, the kind of ceasefire violation that we saw on the part of Pakistan, despite the fact that there has been agreement and the call had come from Pakistan DGMO. They initiated that there should be a ceasefire because they have suffered heavy losses. In fact, militarily also their air forces have been hurt, their logistical support and also their air defense, all of them have been hurt. All of that is taken into consideration, and we are given to understand Army Chief is also arriving. If I can show you the shots, this is the vehicle of Army Chief. Army Chief is also has arrived at 7 LKM. So it's also the core group that has been meeting ever since there has been an upgradation in the escalation between Pakistan and India. We saw few back-to-back meetings yesterday as well. There was some critical strategic decision that India needs to make, and Prime Minister being chief and head of all those strategy decisions, the meeting is going on here at this particular time, and it means that there is some kind of intelligence input that India also has, and they also have to strategize how to go about it, and how to respond to Pakistan, and what is the sort of decision that they need to take also militarily. Prime Minister has said that BSF will respond in fierce manner about these violations on the border on LOC. So all of that is going to be again discussed here.
Okay, so these are very, very crucial meetings. Pragya, just a moment, we have more breaking updates coming in following the ceasefire violation from Pakistan. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has chaired a crucial meeting to assess the security situation. The Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan, and Army Chief General Manoj Pandey are also present in this meeting. Remember, a ceasefire agreement had been reached, but we saw violation from the Pakistani side. The three service chiefs are currently at the Prime Minister's residence. The meeting is currently underway. This is a very, very crucial meeting. On the other hand, Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh also held a meeting, chaired this meeting to assess the security situation. Now, what